Holy heck, it is really coming in now. I can hear the wind howling on the other side of these trees here. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's a different story above the tree line. It's a lot more exposed. Oh, there's a little glimpse of the mountain. Oh, it is so cold. Perfect spot. Okay, let's get this tent set up. The wind is picking up now. It is so much harder doing this in the rain. Can't wait to get my warm, dry clothes on. Alright, time for the tarp. Fingers aren't working. Oh boy, we had a massive rainstorm came through. I just want to get some dry clothes on because I am so cold. I'll just put my puffer jacket on, I think, for now. I'm going to try and warm up a little bit because my hands are freezing. I might actually get some noodles on, I think. It's a pretty wild afternoon. Tarp's getting thrown around a little bit. It is really coming in now. Holy heck! I can hear the wind howling on the other side of these trees here. That is super heavy. The forecast actually was for it to ease up this afternoon, but that's not happening. Let's get some dinner on. It's got pretty cold. Here we are, burgers time. Smoky barbecue sauce. Don't even know why I bring the spinach, to be honest. Alright, this is dinner. Burgers in the rain again. Hopefully tomorrow the wind eases off and the rain stops. Alright, I'm going to finish this last one and then I'm going to hop into bed. Kind of get the feeling that this tarp is just going to lift off at any time. I've got some extra lines tied down onto the tarp. Fingers crossed. Alright, well here I am in my tent and my sleeping bag. It's so cold, but I am warm in my sleeping bag, so that's all good. Hopefully the tarp holds up. Hopefully the wind doesn't change direction and blow it inside out. Okay, well, I'm off to bed, so good night. See you in the morning. Oh, it's cold. It's frozen. That's Lake Surprise off in the distance there. That's where I camped for my very first camp. Lots of waterfalls off in the distance this morning. Alright, well I think it might be time for a coffee, maybe. Get started. It's about 1 degree at the moment. Getting a very light little misty fog coming through this way. You probably can't see it. Oh, that's nice. I'm cheating this morning with my breakfast. No pancakes this time. Got the Radix blueberry again. Rain's getting a little bit harder now. I might just go sit under the tarp. Started to rain quite heavily now. Oh, and it's coming right in this way. Can't even see the mountain. Alright, time to pack up. Such a good little stove this. Little MSR Pocket Rocket Deluxe. Look at that, folds up into nothing. It's got a little piezo ignition, so you don't actually need a lighter. Perfect. This tent is going to need a good clean after this. Well, that's me, I'm all packed up now. So got a bit of rain coming in now, so I'm going to get on the road. I hope you enjoyed the camp. We will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.